So today we'll be installing a brand new set of interior door handles for the F30 328i. This one I bought it off Shopee. The link is in the description below. I find it's quite well made. It's actually made of ABS plastic. With as you can see, it has carbon weaving patterns. But it's actually really well made. The plastic is quite hard, and the gaps between the two handles, the outside and the inside handles the gap is actually almost seamless. So I think it's really well made. This installation is a one-person job, but however, I needed to hold the camera for video, and you actually need two hands to do this job. So I actually got my friend Harry to help me out. So by the time you actually see this video, as you can see, the installation is already done. But I'm just recording this after the installation for this intro. It looks simple, just changing the door handles, but it's actually quite tedious. You need to use two hands, so you need to remove the whole door panel, to install the door handle. When you remove the whole door panel, you need to be careful of this lock latch. You also need to remove this window control, because you need to remove the wiring in order to access the door handle screw at the back. So yeah. Okay, so today we're changing door handles. We've grouped the backing of the door handles: left rear, right rear, front left, front right, and the front part of the handle are interchangeable, I think. We think. So we're gonna start removing the handles. Let me get the drill in closer. First handle is already removed. Now we're gonna remove the door panel. We need the prying tool. So ratchet. Getting the ratchet. I think it's T20, right? Yeah. Everything seems to be T20. So we're removing the screws first, right?
Yeah.
Before we remove the door panels. Huh? Be a different size.
Yeah.
No.
Type 20. Let's see. 20.
Okay, yeah, everything is T20. Okay, time to pry out the door panels. Start from the corner. Okay, so we're removing. You have to be careful of this part.
This part.
Yep. Do this with one hand now.
Alright.
Okay, so it's out. So the inside looks like this. Now we need to remove
Now one by one.
the connections. Yeah. Slowly.
So first connection is this one.
This one, yes, we need to remove it. Okay, remove this one first. At the bottom. I forgot what is what lah, honestly.
This is the door pan light.
Oh, okay, yes. Oh yeah, the underneath, and then this is the ambient light.
This is your ambient lights.
Just pull out, right? And then, okay, the last connection is here on the door itself. So what you do is you pull down, twist, and then pull out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, so yeah, hang on. Okay, yeah, so you have to slowly twist this out. You have to be really careful. Oh my god, yes, it's out. Yes, I got a vacuum. Where's the other one?
Okay, see, we don't have the second one.
You don't have the
By right,
second
it's
one.
supposed to be like here lah.
By right.
So
By right, it's supposed to be
Here.
Here, sorry, I cannot see my finger, yeah. So it seems like we don't have the second tab. Anyway, now we're going to remove the connection for the window controls.
So there's a small lever,
Yeah.
press, and then slide it.
It's easy. Then slide it and then the whole thing comes out. Remove. Then we're going to feed it through the back of the door. I got it. It's a bit squeezy.
You got to angle it properly?
Hang on, we want to push the lever down first.
Yeah,
Push the lever first, yeah.
okay.
Okay. Angle it, alright, it's out. Yeah, I think that was sticky, sticky tape.
No lah, it's a press tape lah. You want, you can take it out lah, but it's okay.
Okay, never mind, if you don't need then don't remove.
Alright.
Okay.
Then we need to drill.
Singlish all coming out already. Because we need to...
I'm sorry.
Our Singlish all come out because we need to focus.
So we need to drill this.
Ah, this is the other one that we need to drill. Your weapon, sir. I seem to
Give it
want
a
to
some pop, no problem. Just the black one.
crowbar the shit out of it.
Yeah, just break it.
Oh, nice. Okay, now we're screwing in the new door handle. The two supporting screws first. So, not much drilling to be done. Only like two spots, right? Two or three spots.
Actually, it's this spot,
Supposed to drill.
then this spot and this spot.
Yeah, this.
If it has not been replaced.
Yeah, so apparently it's been replaced before.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the hard part because you need to put the screw and the washer inside. This is a surgeon level difficulty. Imagine me doing this with one hand while holding the camera. Okay.
Right. Okay, this is done.
Okay, let's see how it looks.
So,
Put this side. Ta-da! Should be tight, right? Wow, it feels good, huh?
that right?
Yeah, tight.
Alright, come, let's go assemble.
Time to assemble it back on the door. Okay, we need to put the connections back first. Oh no, this one is. We have to put this in. Hey, there's one more tab that's
Yeah.
supposed to be removed. But anyway, yeah, feed this through. There.
Okay.
Get it out from the other side, and then you attach the window controls. Are you sure correct side? Oh, correct side, yes.
Usually there's one way to go in.
Must be careful not to bend the pins. I don't know if there are pins.
There is inside here.
Ah, yeah, so be careful when you insert the connection at time, don't bend the pins. Oh, that's quick.
No, you open fully,
Open fully.
then push it in, then lock it in place.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So insert is
Insert in backwards first,
Backwards
right? Yeah, the
first.
back.
right? Okay. Upside down.
Very good. I also didn't even realize.
Okay. And
Yeah.
press it in. That's it. So this is in
This is in.
nicely. Okay. Then
Going back to the back.
back to the back. Then we have this one that is over here. This will come to.
Okay, connections in, off camera. Okay, this one, yes. Remember, put in that time. Pull down first, yes, like that.
Okay. And
Then you put the panel back. Is it in?
Yeah.
Okay, it's in. Now you have to clip back. Clip. Okay, whacking the door panel back in place. If you put this right, this should align nicely. The screw is in here. So this we are putting the big screws in. Here you go. So remember that the bottom and top end, there's 2 small supporting screws and 1 large one. So the large one is accessible from this side of the door. Sorry. Okay, putting this back in, screwing it. Who would have thought that changing door handles would be this complicated? Removing the whole door just to change the door handle. Okay, so we got the last screw in. Just now there was some plastic stuck in the screw hole, so we have to remove that. So old and new door handle. Putting the new one now.
Really transfer anything, right?
There's nothing to transfer. Although that I remember in the video, you're supposed to transfer some tabs that is like metal tabs that is like on this stuff. But since there's no metal tabs, I think because the previous owner lost the tabs, maybe. Yep. Not from the bottom first.
Okay, that also can. Sorry, I cannot see. All right.
Do some touch up.
Okay.
Okay, let's feel it again. Okay, it's a lot more aligned now. Although it has a little bit of sharpness to it, but
You still got to press it.
still to press it some more. Okay, because this is new, it's going to probably be going to be quite stiff when you put it back in. Yeah.
But okay lah. See the
Way-
bottom.
way
the gap
better.
is better.
Yeah, you can
The
tell.
top is good.
Okay,
Here is good.
this is
Finish
good.
is not bad.
Yeah.
The bottom side a bit.
Why? It feels okay
I
actually.
think it's okay lah.
The
not
bottom
bad
feels better than the top, honestly.
All right.
Yay! First door done. It's a hard one. Moving to the rear right now. Wow, look at that at the background. Door handle looks awesome. But moving to the rear right now, this door handle here has been changed before, because there was one when I bought a car at the time. This was like hanging loose and secured by what you call that, cable ties. So this one might be a little bit stiff. But the back is original though. Okay, it's out. Okay, I stand corrected. It's actually easier than I thought.
So this one need to go in like that.
Oh wait, there's a hook down here. Ah yes, okay, yes. Video, show video, yes. It's supposed to go in first. So actually the back end should be
Maybe this is the hook that he's talking about. The video.
no, it's supposed to be like all along here got the tabs.
No, is it?
Yeah. But do you think we missed this out at the front? No, right?
No, there wasn't any hook.
Oh, okay. So just make sure lah when
over there,
yeah.
There the remove part.
Oh, wait. Oh, you're right.
This whole part not there.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah, comparing, yes. But anyway, yeah, it's good idea to check before you put back lah, huh? Just put it on record on the video. Okay, again, same thing. Remove the screw. I think we need to remove this also, right? Lightly.
No need.
No need, right?
The other one we need to remove because the screw is behind it.
Okay, why do I not need to worry about the
Even
whole door
if-
panel coming out?
Because of these two screws. This secures this. You secure this to this, ma.
Okay.
Then these two is securing the whole thing into the
door panel
panel itself.
into the whole door. Okay, that's why there's
done.
that's why there's two supporting screw on every main screw.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, okay, this is
better.
yeah, a lot better.
I
can't feel the gap.
Yeah.
I mean, this is normal. This one just now with the other handle is really like that.
Oh.
Not with that front handle, but with this
The other one as well.
with the original handle. Yeah, it was like that already.
Okay.
But I don't know if it's a BMW thing or not.
No,
What's this at the bottom?
For you to pry open when you want to next time.
Oh, yeah, this little hole here. Door 2 out of 2 officially in.
Okay, come.
Way simpler. Let's go. Chop. Okay, while Harvey is removing the third door panel, I pull out this original outer door handle from that door and a new one. So by right, you see these little tabs here. There's all these tabs are supposed to be along all these little things. You see, they're supposed to be on this little plastic, what you call it, notches or whatever shit. And you're supposed to transfer this onto the new one, which is also the same alignment. But we do not have any of those on the last two doors. We only have one over here, so I'm guessing that the previous owner removed and lost them. It's important because you know it's you need is to secure the door handle. Oh my god, I'm so pissed off. I removed the tab, so what I'm going to do is just going to replace it onto the same part where I found it on the new door handle. It was very difficult to do it even with two hands, so